Adria Airways. Just saw it on the flight radar. There you go. When I filmed it then it was just passing over Comberton probably. I filmed that from Cambridge. And that's what it looks like. That's a first for me. Although obviously because I'm filming from behind, from below, you couldn't see the logos on the side, but that's what it was. Where the hell is that? Ljubljana. Where's that? I'll have to work that out in a sec. On its way to Manchester. Still got another 193 kilometres to go. I know Cambridge to Manchester by road is about 180 miles, about a 3-hour journey. Airbus A319, there's registration. Speed 464 miles an hour, and that was at 36,500 feet. Right, so let's work out where it's come from. Slovenia. That's why I don't recognise it. Okay, there we go. It's come all the way from Slovenia, which is below Austria. Right, time is 12:03 on the 23rd of July.